Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, this is Boosted 365 and I'm Chuck. So, have you guys ever found a road that was just so perfect, just with corners and curves, blind spots and all that other fun stuff? Something that could remind you of, I don't know, maybe the tail of the dragon, or something like that. Well, I found that road and we are gonna go on that road. Actually, that's gonna be the next clip. And then we'll discuss the suspension of this car because it needs work. So stick around, stay tuned and enjoy. Talk to you in a little bit. All right, guys, so that was Mount Carmel Avenue in Hamden going into North Haven. What'd you guys think? It To me, it's definitely challenging, and fun, just because again, you have blind corners and things like that, as well as there are houses up and down that street. There's no curb. You have natural curbs, but that's grass basically. And then, as you guys could see there, the camera moving up and down, or shaking a little bit if I couldn't eliminate it during editing. The road isn't necessarily flat. That being said, the suspension on this car needs work. If you guys remember, I did buy ISR coilovers and white line front and rear stabilizer bars for this car. I just haven't installed them yet. So that is obviously going to be an upcoming project, getting that stuff in. And then we're going to go back down that road. If you guys saw, I went both ways, meaning up and down the road. And just to kind of give you guys a different view of the road and things like that. I do go up and down that road every day, just not at the speed we were going, because usually Noah's in the car, but he wasn't, because I decided to drop him off to film that for you guys. And again, if you guys are going on that road, it is right near Quinnipiac. And what I've found is if you wait about a minute, and if no car's coming, you're good, because it's rare that there's another car in front of you. As you saw, there's a stop sign, so usually that's where somebody's actually coming out. And again, it's not that often, so it's definitely a fun road. So again, once I get the suspension in, we'll go back down that road, and then I'm going to take you to another road, which is another 2 minutes away from my house. It's a little bit more trickier. Now you're talking about even bigger hills and corners and things like that. But it's definitely going to be interesting to get the suspension dead correct in this car. And then that's that as far as that's concerned. Now, I am ready to bring, as far as the motor work, I'm ready to bring the head to the machine shop. I did have to order a couple other things for the head, like valve locks and things like that, but the head's ready to go to the machine shop. And then the block I still have to take apart, and then we have to bring it to the machine shop down in Groton. I did try to see if there was any other machine shops that could install the dart and mid sleeves. Nope, it's a very specialized process apparently. So we're gonna go to the machine shop in Groton. And that's that. Oh, I did order more parts for the car, as far as, well, I'm not going to tell you what, but they're a surprise, and I think you guys are going to like them. So as far as that, I don't have anything else for this video for today. Let me know what you guys think about that road. Definitely comment. Your comments have been helping me decide what I'm going to do next, not only for the Gen, but just like for videos and things like that. So keep commenting, keep liking or disliking the videos. It's up to you. You're watching it. If you want, subscribe. You guys have been doing a really great job lately of that. This year has really been awesome as far as subscribers are concerned. So keep doing it. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm at work, so I got to go back to work. But, make no limitation your only limitation. See you in the next video. Peace.